Why the price difference so high for the magnets with the same dimension? I'll show you from two pitfalls, the tolerance and the magnetic properties. Here are three types of magnets with same size of 40*10*5 mm. B is purchased from another supplier. Another two JDA magnets are made by our own factory. Firstly, let me show you a tolerance comparison. The measured length of magnet B is 39.01 mm, 1 mm smaller than the required size. The measured thickness is 4.61 mm, 0.4 mm smaller than the required size. The measured width is 9.5 mm, 0.5 mm smaller than the required size. Let's have a look at the N40 and N52 magnets produced by our factory. The measured length, width, and thickness of the grade N40 magnet are 39.96 mm, 9.98 mm, and 4.98 mm, respectively, and of grade N52 magnet are 39.99 mm, 4.97 mm, and 9.98 mm, all of which are standard /0.05 tolerance. It's easy to understand the tolerance made by JDA's and B Company are of high difference. Next, we do a comparison of the magnetic force, which is the key criteria to judge the magnet's good or not. Magnetic force of magnets made by our factory of grade N52 is 426.7 mt, that of grade N40 is 396.5 mt, but that of magnet B is only 209.2 mt. From this comparison, we can see the magnetic force difference is also so large. So why so much difference in price for the same size? The materials used are different. The magnetic force is completely different. The magnetic force of N52 claimed by another supplier can't even reach our N40. Plus the tolerance, the saved material can be used to make a few more pieces of magnets. Hence, those are answers.